Welcome to volume and surface area of spheres. So the two formulas that we need to know for this is the volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed for and the surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. These are actually on your formula sheets. But it's making sure that it doesn't say a sphere, but you need to know that they connect with the sphere for their formulas. Calculate the volume and surface area of a sphere. We've got a radius of 10 and we're going to do it to 4 significant figures. So using our volume formula, 4/3 pi r cubed, we put the 10 in where the radius is and we get 4,189 metres cubed. For the surface area, 4 pi r squared, so we put the 10 in where the r is and we get 1,257. Next, let's look at a hemisphere that's got a radius of 6 centimetres and we want it, again, we're just going to do the surface area, correct to 4 significant figures. Now the thing with this is it's half a sphere, but it's also got a circle on the base, in this example anyway. It's got a circle on the base which we need to also include. So therefore when we do the surface area, we're going to do half a sphere plus the circle at the bottom. So when we look at it, we've got half our 4 pi r squared, so half times 4 times pi times 6 squared, plus the area of a circle, which is pi r squared, so pi times 6 squared, giving us 339.3 centimetres squared. Now one that's a little bit harder, we have to work backwards. So we're going to have to find the radius, given that the volume is 1,000 metres cubed, and we'll do this to 1 decimal place. So we put our formula down first, volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So the volume is what we do know, so we'll put the 1,000 there. And then for our third line, we're going to times by 3, which is 3,000, and then divide by the 4, which gives us 750 equals pi r cubed. We'll then divide by the pi. Now you can put this as a decimal if you want, or you can leave it as it is and put the cube root. So if r is cubed, then to undo that, you do the cube root of it, and we get 6.2 metres for our radius. A shout out to the Year 10 5.3s, those students who consistently take notes from the videos. Thank you.